morning, sister.
Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to Ludumada Metric High Secondary School. I hope you all had a wonderful break and are ready to embark on the new academic year.
Yes, sister. We had a great break.
As we get on this new academic year, I want to remind you all that our school is a community founded on the values of respect, empathy, and kindness. Let us strive to uphold these principles in everything we do.
Yes, sister. Certainly.
So excited to be back. Let's make this the best year ever.
Children, you know, she's Monishri, a new student. Welcome, Monishri.
Sister, Monishri is a new student and is unfamiliar with Lourdes Mother. Could you please allow us to explain about our school?
Certainly, please explain.
Lourdes Mother Metric Higher Secondary School, Thandrambat was established in 1987 and is managed by the Congregation of the Sisters of the Adoration of Blessed Sacrament. The motto of the school is Light and Life. The school offers classes from 1 to 12 and is a co-educational with an attached pre-primary section. English is the medium of instruction at this institution. The commitment of the Lourdes Mother staff is very energetic. In every aspect, we can confidently say it is a safe school that provides vigilant care to each student.
Thank you, Pravineshwar. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge our new students and families who are joining us this year. Welcome to our community. We are thrilled to have you at Lourdes Mother.
Thank you, sister. Thank you, friends. Friends, I will learn more about being at the school.
Children, what is this? Where are you taking this banner?
Sister, we are placed it on the stage for the welcome ceremony.
Good children, let's get started on this new academic year. Together, let us strive to make it a year filled with learning, growth and joy.
Dear friends, it was our reopening day event. This day, the kindergarten classes at the school was marked by a warm welcome for the new students in LKG and UKG. Newcomers from all the classes, including the students of class 11, were warmly greeted on this day. Each new student was welcomed in a complete manner with flowers and balloons. The school correspondent, Mother Leena, was the main dominant guest. Principal Sister Jyotis welcomed everyone with an inspiring message.
Tamil Priyan, you forgot to say one thing and the most important one.
What, Salambasi?
It's all about divine blessings.
The sacred moment of our school's annual blessing took place on June 13 on a deeply reverent atmosphere.
The spiritual occasion is filled with hope, inspiration, and a sense of divine presence.
Reverend Father Jay Silan was the main celebrant. Prayer services conducted as a means of imparting moral values to the students.
To instill these values, we seek the Almighty blessings by celebrating the Holy Mass on the first Saturday of every month.
Pravineshwar, do you know who the new head boy and head girl are?
Actually, I was just going to check the notice board. Let's go and see.
Wow! Congratulations to Lokeshwaran and Dharani. They are going to make awesome leaders.
Totally, Lokeshwaran has always been so involved in our school activities and Dharani is an amazing debater.
I know, right? They will do great things for our school.
Friends, what you are looking for in the notice board?
Today is our investiture ceremony.
Who is the vice head boy and vice head girl?
It's Tamaprin and Sandhya of Standard 9.
Super! They are so wonderful. Definitely, let's go congratulate them.
Friends, investiture ceremony is already started. Come, let us join. Swati, the investiture ceremony was the most excited one.
The event served as a platform to showcase the leadership skills and abilities of students and was the most prestigious occasion on the school's calendar.
The chief guest of this ceremony was Reverend Father Bakiraj. This event took place on June 29, 2024 and marked one of the most significant occasions for the school.
During the ceremony, the newly elected and appointed members of the school were officially vested with their powers and positions.
Swati, this event not only establishes a support system for the school administration but also cultivates the future leaders of the nation.
Yes, Vishwa, it was a great day. Do you remember another most important welcome ceremony also was conducted on this day?
Well, on this day, the Lourdes Mother family extends a warm welcome to the newly appointed parish priest, Reverend Father Bakiraj.
Friends, school assemblies provide ample opportunities for all of us to demonstrate our courage and express our abilities in public speaking, reading, sharing, and more. Daily school activities begin with assembly at 9:25 a.m. and conclude with national anthem at 3:50 p.m. Assembly activities include news, speeches, thought for the day, and the celebration of students' birthday. Every class and section from the grade 6 to 12 give the opportunity to organize the assembly.
Good morning, Salambarsi.
Good morning, Gunalakshmi. I'm so excited to have won first prize in the poetry recitation competition. It's so amazing to see so many talented students showcasing their skills.
Salambarsi were fantastic. Your passion and creativity really shone through each competition.
On the whole, how was our arts fest?
Fantastic. Everybody did their best.
Do you know who the champions were?
Art Fest champions were from Kids, Ajay Shakti of Standard 2nd, Anushree of Standard 5th.
Yeah, I remember Hemlata of Standard 7 and from Category 2nd.
And Tamil Priyan from Category 3rd and Lakshmi are from Standard 12th also were the champions.
Tamil Priyan, Arts Fest was a good reminder for us.
Yes, it was reminded that every individual has something unique to offer. Let's continue to nurture, support and celebrate each other's gifts and talents.
Do you remember the name of our Arts Fest?
Yes, Vishwa, it's Art Feria.
The highly anticipated Arts Fair was held on August 23, 2024 at School Open Auditorium. This event showcased the diversity of artistic expression featuring performance, exhibitions and installations.
Friends, what was the highlights of Arts Fest?
Stunning paintings and installations adorned the galleries, demonstrating students' masteries in various mediums and techniques.
Enthralling dance, music and theatre performances captivated the audience, highlighting the participants' skill and passion.
Poets and writers shared their thoughts, provoking work showcasing the power of language and imagination.
Could you please tell about some notable performances? The lively dance troupes, charming routine to a fusion of classical and contemporary music. The soulful version of a classic melody by the school choir. The gripping drama performance, tackling social issues with conviction and sensitivity.
Overall, the Arts Fest was a huge success, celebrating the artistic talents in our community. The event encouraged creativity, self-expression and fellowship, leaving a lasting effect on all who attended.
Hey Swati, have you heard? Principal's Day is coming up. Yeah, I heard it's next Friday. We should totally plan something special. Absolutely. Principal Sister Jyotis has been amazing this year. We should show our appreciation. I was thinking we could organize a surprise assembly with performances and speeches. That's a great idea, and we could also make a heartfelt video message from the students. Awesome! Let's get the student council involved and make it happen. We will talk to Lokeshwaran and Dharini and the school captains. They will surely welcome this idea. And I will start working on the video. Let's make it unforgettable. It was August 15th, and we also commemorated Independence Day too. It was a resounding success, fostering patriotism and national pride among the students, teachers and staff. The event served as a reminder of the country's glorious past and the sacrifices made by its brave freedom fighters.
Principal's Day is a special occasion to honor our beloved Principal Sister Jyotish.
Yeah, I remember. Our dear Vice Principal, Sister Carmen, took all the initiative for this program.
We conducted a cultural program, cake cutting and wishing ceremony.
Sister, we are here to discuss the upcoming Teachers' Day celebration.
Excellent. I'm glad you are taking the initiative. What ideas do you have?
We thought of organizing a surprise assembly, performances, speeches and a token of appreciation for our teachers. We could also have a photo booth, a teacher's favorite food stall and a heartfelt video message from the students.
Good children. I love these ideas. What's your plan for the assembly?
We will have a mix of songs, dances and skits showcasing the impact of our teachers on our list.
That sounds wonderful. How can I assist you?
We need permission to use the auditorium and some funds for decorations and gifts.
Granted. I will allocate the necessary funds. You have my full support.
Thank you, sister. We will make it a memorable day for our teachers.
I'm confident you will keep me updated on the progress.
On 5th September 2024, our school celebrated the Teachers' Day with great zeal and appreciation.
Vishwa, the event was a heartfelt tribute to our dedicated teachers, recognizing their tireless effort and commitment to shaping young minds. Mother Leena, the school correspondent, inaugurated the program.
On November 14, our school celebrated Children's Day with great enthusiasm and joy. This event was a tribute to Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday, which honored his love and dedication to children's welfare.
Principal Sister Jyotis emphasized the importance of nurturing young minds and fostering creativity. A student representative expressed gratitude for the celebration and the love displayed by the teachers.
The Children's Day celebration was a resounding success, spreading happiness and laughter among the teachers, students, and staff. The event reinforced the significance of nurturing young minds and fostering creativity.
This day is also the feast of Saint Elizabeth of Hungary, which commences on a Correspondence Day.
The cake cutting was the beginning of the festivities. The celebration began with a warm welcome from the staff secretary, Ms. Gauri, with an amazing band trained by Mr. Pratap.
A bouquet of appreciation was handed over to our dear mother.
A meaningful and apt tribute was written and read by Ms. Geeta. Thanks for her guidance, care, support, and concern toward the school.
A beautiful song was sung by the teachers, expressing their gratitude to the correspondent.
We were always immersed with her pious, virtuous, and smiling face. We love her presence on our campus, and I can say she is humble and courageous enough to face the challenges of the present education system. She is a strong pillar in which Lourdes Mother family now exists. Thank you, dear mother.
On October 14, the Sports Day event was inaugurated through a flame lighting ceremony, which the torch was carried by a head boy and head girl, followed by the house captains. The Sports Day event began with a march past in all 4 houses.
After March Past, students from different houses competed against each other in various sports. An event included sports like javelin throw, discus throw, 100-meter race, 200-meter race, 800-meter race, and relay. In addition, for students from class 1 to 4, games like sack race, the lemon spoon race, and frog jump were organized.
All the houses were awarded points based on performance and several criteria. The school principal awarded prizes to the winning individual and also declared the winning houses.
Finally, the principal addressed the students and parents, appreciating the efforts and enthusiasm for all the students toward the event and congratulating the winning house and winning students for all their efforts. The red and blue groups shared their championship.
The day was filled with a lot of excitement along with thrills, spirit, and cheers.
All the students were very excited about the day and the activities planned for the day. The individual championship was shared with Himish P, Yashika M, Bhumika B, Rishwa D, Ritika Sri E, Praveen M, Talapati M, Kokila C, Pravneshwar B, and Monica Mary J.
The Christmas celebration was a joyous occasion, spreading cheer and happiness among the students, teachers, and staff. The spirit of giving, sharing, and the love filled the air, making it a memorable day.
We enjoyed delicious Christmas cake. The event ended with a cheerful Christmas greetings as the students danced to the melodious tunes of Jingle Bells and we wish you a Merry Christmas.
The dazzling entry of Santa Claus added to the joy and excitement to the students. The boundless joy of celebrating the festival was visible on the faces of all the children. This was a joyous and amusing program for everyone.
We are pleased to announce the top performing students of our school for the academic year 2023 to 2024. These students have demonstrated exceptional academic excellence, dedication, hard work, and earning them the top sports in their respective classes.
Yes, friends, all the while we can say academics are the core focus of our school. All possible efforts have been taken and will continue to be taken to ensure academic excellence in our school. We believe that academics and excellence is the hallmark of our school as a good institution.
We are proud to report that batch of 10th and 12th standard students have brought laurels to the school with their excellent results.
We achieved 100% results in all examinations. Students with more than 90% secured first class in class 12 and 90% secured first class in class 11. This was possible because of all the efforts of the dedicated staff which took extra classes and implemented other remedial measures to improve them.
Friends, I remember Bhuvaneshwari of 12th was a top scorer with centum in mathematics, followed by two students who scored over 95% in various subjects, Anjana R and Aruna T.
We are extremely delighted with 11th standard students' outstanding performance in the Tamil Nadu Board Secondary Education Examination 2024, which included a commendable 100% score.
Congratulations to Dharani. We are thrilled to announce the result of 10th. Dharani has emerged as a school board exam topper. Master Saidat and Miss Kamali shared the second and third positions with centum.
Their exceptional academic performance and a dedication to excellence have earned them these outstanding achievements. We are incredibly proud of Tarani, Kamali and Saidat's accomplishment and wish them to continued success in their future endeavors.
Well, we have a significant and prominent day. The Wells University Award for centum result is a significant recognition for our teachers' excellence.
We are grateful for their contribution to our academic success and look forward to their continued excellence. We are delighted to announce that two of our esteemed teachers, Mr. Vinod and Mr. Pradap, have received the prestigious Wales University Award for achieving a centum result in their respective subject. We congratulate them on this remarkable achievement.
Our school has been recognized for its exceptional achievement. We are proud to announce that we have received the Minister's Award for Excellence in Education in the year 2024.
This prestigious award is a testament to our school's commitment to academic success, innovative teaching methods, and dedication to our students' growth.
We are grateful to our Honorable Minister of Education for this recognition and we acknowledge the tireless efforts of our teachers, students and staffs who have made this achievement possible.
This award is not just recognition of our past achievement, but also motivation to continue striving for excellence in the future.
Let us cherish this moment and continue to work together to reach the new heights.
Our commitment is to providing a holistic education has empowered our students to grow into confident, compassionate and curious individuals. We are grateful for the support of the patrons and look forward in the continued success.
Our teachers for their tireless effort and expertise.
Our staff for their behind-the-scenes support.
Our parents for their partnership and trust.
Our alumni for their continued connection and guidance.
As we close this chapter, we eagerly anticipate the opportunities and challenges that the future holds. We remain committed to our mission of fostering a love of learning, promoting academic excellence, and nurturing the unique potential of each student.
Thank you everyone. Welcome to last year 2K25.